What's up, y'all? It's your girl Miss I Wax Coochies, and today we are not waxing a coochie. I don't know if y'all have noticed or not, but I no longer post coochies. Like, I just don't. I feel like I've made my mark. You can always check my other page, my old page, to see all my coochie work. But yeah, today we waxing the face. Lately, I've also been posting this Wax Sexy Smooth Wax my last couple posts, because y'all, this wax is so good. Like, I love how it gets all the coarse hairs. It dries up so quickly just off that first pull. Look at all that. Like, be serious. If you know, you know. Face hairs are very, very stubborn. And oh my gosh, y'all, when I was recording this, I don't know what I was seeing, but I did not realize my camera quality was so blurry and cloudy. Like, look at the difference. Like, be for real. I was so mad when I was editing this, but it's okay, because y'all still gonna get this content. Just like I'm standing outside right now to do this voiceover, y'all gonna get this content regardless. Look at this zoomed in angle, y'all. Like, look at the smoothness of the application. Look how that girl, look how the waxer just handling that stick. Like, she really handling this. Like, I don't know who waxing this girl, but she going off. And then check the slow-mo. Like, it is so satisfying. Like, I could literally watch me do my own work all freaking day. And of course, in the end, I'm going to apply my product, Fuck Ingrowns, that's available online and in person. And yes, you can use this all over your body. And yes, it is also unisex. Tap in. Look at the zoomed in, baby. I ate that, period.